Hello, teacher. Hello, classmates. And we are going to show you our debate. And we are Alejandro Flores, Moisés Cordero, Fausto Lopez, and me, Brian Aldair.
Okay, partners, and ready to the learning. As an automotive engineer, we can have different positions in the industry, such as quality engineer, sales engineer, and project engineer, and among all the others. I think that the best opinion from what I have investigated is the sales engineer position. Since CD offers very good benefits and a very high salary above the standards. The disadvantage of the types of jobs is that they require a competitive level of German and English, as well as 5 years old of experience in the sector.
So I believe that we have the best option to work. And in an engineers with a company, I think that working in a big company is one of the best option, and because you can have in life in some cases the job may be safe and it is very well paid, and one of the most important advantages is that in addition to receiving life in insurance that can support you in case of an accident into the company.
One of the advantages of studying automotive system engineering is that it's a very versatile career that you can work in different fields. Since when you are studying, you take various subjects and go through different disciplines. In addition to the fact that it can be involved from the simple maintenance, be it a change of spark plug, oil, or an engine adjust to more complex tasks such as the programming of a lathe or design of a specific part for its production, in addition to having a notion of extra keynote in other areas such as finance, calculation of operation drawings, management of designs programs, among others.
I think that the opportunities we have as automotive engineer is a very good opportunity because we can work in different areas. We can work in the assembly plant. There we can be managers, production managers, or workshop managers. On the other hand, we can work in the same company, but now where are the change of maintaining ordering especially it's on the cars, or we can also the mean change of the objects or the modifications they may be made the, to future cars. We can work on electrical development of cars and communication inside cars.
I think that what the job offers is work is since the salary is over sky 60,000 pesos, and many of the things that this job requires user being studied. It is the word it to study more and language and the intersector coming out of university in the order to have necessary and experience.
In addition to work for a big company, I think that this is a nice idea for enter to work in this, because you can have a different opportunities, such as, for example, obtain a house for the time you were working in for this company, and that is a good option and a good opportunity for this, for some working, and this could be the the dream job for anyone.
In addition to that, you can work either in an automotive company or have your own establishment. And just to comment on some of this area, the main advantages that the careers offers use, and in more deep we can talk about how you can get to know different place in the republic or the world, since wherever you are you find job opportunity in addition to salary, and was it is not on monotonous job, since you always carry all different activities.
Um, we can work investigators. We can an accident happen. We can investigate the unit, uh, test the unit, and release what wrong. Is wrong. Also, is using cars are going to give an aesthetic improvement to cars. I think that are related, and we have that there are many universities that have credit of the same engineering and the decrease the percentage. Um, Currently, in many companies, they ask for experience, but for the same reason, they are uh, that are we are yeah, strengthened, and they reject us, and sometimes we feel bad and better to look at another job option.
That's right. One of the of the this disadvantage of working in a big company, is that to to be able to enter, you have to speak fluency English, and to be able to maintain a conversation with other foreign workers, could be, but um, it will it will also be an opportunity to get a better will and pay job.
And as a result, I see that the industry demands a lot of language skills and a lot of experience in the industry as the demand is very high. This generates a high degree of competition, so I think it's very important to be prepared. And my opinion is the the learning to Brian and Moy is very important in the industry. And my opinion is a winner. The the project.
Yes, working in a company could be a nice and great idea to work in there. Um, there are many opportunities, and you can wine pale. And we believe that we we are the winners because because there are many things that you can get in this company, and that's all, teacher. Thank you for your attention.
My argument is that have the better opportunity to work to be able to develop in any area of the automotive company. That will be the greatest advantage because that's why we can have more experiences in all areas to do a better job and know who to help my team of the work.
In my conclusion, personal disadvantage of study automotive system engineering is that is a career in which is necessary to speak or have knowledge of different languages to grow in these fields.